This style of music, gospel music from Newport. Give him another hand.